what is hyaluronic acid and why is it important to take daily?
Hyaluronic acid is formed in our synovial fluid, and it's critical to the functioning of our cartilage. It's great for our eyes, it's great for our ligaments, tendons, our skin. You'll see a lot of facial creams that have hyaluronic acid in there because it's so important for our collagen and our skin. And it's important to be taken daily because if we're trying to have the healthiest joints possible, if we're trying to keep our tendons and ligaments, our cartilage and our collagen super healthy, then we need support nutrients for that. Hyaluronic acid is a super safe, no side effect type of supplement that really supports the health of the joints. And so I recommend it every day to make sure that the body is basically at its optimal level of wellness. And so that if you're exercising or whatever you're doing, your tissue, as it starts breaking down, has the nutrients it needs to repair as quickly as possible.
Makes sense.